Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to improve voice quality of cellular data on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the Settings, go to Cellular. Then in the cellular, select the cellular data options. Then choose the voice and data. In the voice and data, you will see two options, the LTE and the 3G. If you want to improve the voice quality of the cellular data, choose the LTE. And an option will appear, the VoLTE with a switch button on the right side. And all you have to do is turn it on to enable the voice quality of the data. And the voice quality of the LTE is now enabled. And that's it. We have successfully improved the voice quality of cellular data on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!